Hey everyone, welcome to the Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host Jason. For today's video, we're doing the Blind Pig's riff on a PickleBack shot. I always try to research these drinks before I do the videos. Had a little bit of trouble finding the origination of this drink, probably because it's so weird. What I found was, like many drinks, it started in New York City, specifically Brooklyn, in the early 2000s. A pickle company asked to store some of their pickles in their neighborhood next door bar. For a while there, they were using the brine to make their martinis. At some point, someone just said, hey, I'll take a shot of vodka with a shot of pickle juice. Bartender thought, let's try it with a bourbon. And then the drink kind of rolled from there is what I found. The traditional version of this is a shot of Jameson and a shot of pickle juice. It does pair well. I've had it before. I'm also told this is an East Coast thing. I haven't really ever seen this in a West Coast bar. Mentioned to a friend one time from California. He thought I was crazy. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you've ever heard of this on the West Coast or ever heard of this period, ever tried one of these before. Definitely a weird combination, but it works. When you think about it, you use different kinds of pickled vegetable brines in a Bloody Mary. You use olive juice or olive brine in a martini. So why not pickle brine? Well, the variation we're doing is I got an opportunity to open this bottle of PiggyBack from WhistlePig. It's one of their first entries into bourbon. They've been a rye company for many years. It's an aged 6-year bourbon. We're also going to pair this with our Vlasic pickle juice brine, which just happens to be our brine of choice or pickle of choice in the house. To do this one, it's very simple. So here we go, guys. This is the Blind Pig's PiggyBack PickleBack. We do our shot. Cheers. Followed by our brine. It's so weird, but it works so well. I'm telling you guys, if you never tried a pickleback before, go ahead and try one. Next time you're at the bar, hey, try ordering the Blind Pig PiggyBack PickleBack. See if they have it on the menu. Thanks, guys, for watching. Leave a comment below. Subscribe. We'll see you soon. Cheers.